How to delete all reposts on TikTok at once. Unfortunately, TikTok does not have a built-in feature to delete all reposts at once. You will need to manually remove reposts one by one. So how to do so? First of all, open the TikTok app on a mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your TikTok account. Now, once inside the TikTok app, all you have to do is tap on the profile option of level at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your TikTok profile section. Then here you can see the post icon of level with the double arrow. Tap on it. So now, as I've said, TikTok does not have any built-in feature to delete all of these reposts at once. We will need to delete them manually. So all you have to do is tap on the repost you want to remove. Then tap on the share icon at the bottom right. Then tap on the remove repost option of level here. Now what you have to do is you will have to do this same process again and again manually. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.